Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is easy stuffed mushrooms. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. There are literally hundreds of recipes for stuffed mushrooms, but this is our first one. First, let's prepare the mushrooms. Simply remove the stalks and using a teaspoon, make a nice little cavity in the mushrooms to accept the filling, as you see here. Let's move the camera in so you can see this a bit better. That's not too hard, is it? Simply repeat for all the mushrooms you're using. Next, finely chop any pieces of mushrooms you've removed on the stalks and reserve. You're going to use them in the recipe a bit later. Next, we prepare the filling. Simply melt the butter in a suitably sized frying pan, add the lardons and fry off for a minute or two. Then it's time to add the onions and garlic and again turn through the mixture. Then it's time to add in the chopped mushroom stalks and again fry off for a minute or two. When the 2 minutes are up, it's time to add salt and pepper to taste and again mix through. Continue to cook until the mushrooms and onions are well sweated down. Then turn off the heat, add the breadcrumbs and mix through and allow to cool. And when the filling is cold enough to handle, simply use a spoon and fill the mushrooms with the filling and place on an oven-proof dish. When this is done, add the cheese to the top of the mushrooms as you see here. Then it's off to a preheated 180 degrees C oven for 30 to 40 minutes, depending on how large your mushrooms are. There you have it, easy stuffed mushrooms. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. Stay safe and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.